Good morning. I'm Joan, but most of my friends call me the Crêpe Queen because I make wedding cakes out of crepes. Today we're going to focus on my famous glazed pecans. I use these glazed pecans for decorating my cakes. I use them when I plate simple crepe desserts. I use them in jars and give them as gifts at the holidays. They're great also in salads, so it's a really simple recipe. They keep well, and it's an important skill to have. So let's make some glazed nuts. What I have here are 3 cups of warm nuts. I put them in a pan, a jelly roll pan, with a silpat and toasted them for 10 minutes at 250. Now I'm going to take my honey, and today I wanted to use a special honey for you. This one is called Marmelero, and it's from my friends at Bee Seasonal Honey. It actually is a Brazilian quince honey. And I'm also gonna, let me just put a little salt in there so we get that sweet and salty. I'm gonna put in about a half a teaspoon and just stir that into my warm honey. So nice. Now, it's as simple as pouring it in and tossing it with a spatula, or spoonula. I love these spoonulas. This one is, I think, from Le Creuset. Yes, it is. It's a Le Creuset one, and it's very sturdy. Love it. Nice. Then I'm going to put it back right in the jelly roll pan. Now you'll notice again, I mentioned I use a silpat. You could use parchment paper, but I love the silpat because there's no waste. I'm not throwing a thing away. They last for years and nothing is going to stick. It's just an amazing tool. Now I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it in the back in the 250-degree oven for about an hour. I like to toss it about every 15 minutes, making sure that it's evenly browned, and when I can smell a slightly caramelized, nutty smell, and they're relatively dry, I'll take them out of the oven. Now, a little bit of magic here. I happen to have made some earlier, so I want to show you and kind of give you an idea of the taste. Now this particular batch I made with pure maple syrup. That also is a great option. And just a little salt. It's amazing. It's got that nice crispy crunch. It's sweet and a little bit salty. Gorgeous product. Now let's talk about that a little bit. The batch in the oven is made with quince honey. I like to use local honeys as well. I love maple syrup. I also love to flavor these up. You can put cinnamon in there, you can put vanilla, orange zest. You could use liqueurs. You could make them spicy with cayenne and do kind of a sweet spicy blend. The options are endless. And if you love to give handmade gifts like I do, you could actually fill up jars with pecans, with hazelnuts, with almonds, walnuts, whatever your heart desires, making each one a different flavor. So that's our lesson on nuts today. I hope you'll keep watching because next week I'm going to share with you how to plate your crepes with these nuts as beautiful accents. I hope you'll visit my website. We've got all the recipes on the recipe page, and I'd love to share with you this recipe and other nut recipes. So have a great week, and I'll see you in the kitchen next Tuesday.